The Aussie versus U.S. dollar fell sharply in the Asian session, but into support, and that support has held again in the early European session, and we're seeing a rebound into the U.S. session. What does the technicals look like for this currency pair? Where might we be going? What's the bias? I'm going to go through that in this video, so let's get started. Looking at the Aussie versus U.S. dollar on the hourly chart, we get a clear view of the high price that we saw yesterday, corresponding with this high price going back here. Coincidence, maybe, but whatever the case, the price did stall at the 0.62457. The price moved lower and then higher into the early Asian session, where once again that level at 0.62457 found resistance sellers, and the price moved lower off of that level. Now that move to the downside fell into a more familiar swing area down through here, where we had different levels coming in play for forming a floor. Then we fell below that floor, moved back above it, tried to reestablish the floor as a support, which was successful, and then started to trade above and below the levels right through here before finding willing sellers and using that level as a ceiling. Over here in trading just this week, the price did move back above that level, but found willing sellers against the 200-hour moving average. And you can see the waffling that occurred on Tuesday's trade. And on Wednesday, we based off of this level and moved to the upside. So when we came back down to it, trading here today, not once but twice, the price did find support buyers in that area between 0.61917 and 0.61999, just right around the 62 level. The price moved to the upside, is now taking the price back above the 200-hour moving average as well at 0.62037. So there's a little bit of a tilt more to the upside in the short term at the very least, but there's work to do, and that work is now centered on this getting above the 0.62457 level, which suddenly becomes a more stout level of resistance with the double top that we saw in trading here yesterday and today. Get above that level, and we start to look toward other key targets, including maybe this level right through here at 0.62644, the high price right here at 0.6274. And then we start to look toward the 38.2% retracement and other swing levels up through here that either stall the fall briefly or found resistance sellers against right here and right here before moving to the downside. So that all comes in right near the 38.2% retracement of 0.6290. On the downside, we're going to need to get back below the 200-hour moving average to give the buyers or to hurt the buyers, give the sellers more confidence, and then below the 100-hour moving average, which did find support right here yesterday before moving to the upside. So that's my technical look at the Aussie versus US dollar. Lots of ups and downs, but the buyers are trying to make a play. We'll see if they can keep that momentum going. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.